Large-scale 5G commercialization embraces diversified new services, while a traditional network with a fixed frame structure cannot accurately satisfy dynamic traffic requirements on time and space domain. After Cluster DFS application released by China Telecom and ZTE in 2022, the industry's first Cluster DFS application was completed in Zhejiang in January 2023. Cluster DFS further extends cluster-level resource management from frequency domain to time domain through features of intelligent traffic prediction, cluster self-generation, frame structures dynamic adjustment, and intelligent interference avoidance. 5G network realizes automatic frame structure adjustment based on scenarios and services requirements. Cluster DFS was applied in stadium in 5G fully connected factory. The 19th Asian Games places higher demands on 5G to empower intelligent stadium for live broadcasting, immersive game watching. Traditional 5G faces challenges. Downlink-dominated frame structure cannot support large uplink traffic, while after adjusting to uplink-dominated frame structure inside the stadium, interference is generated with surrounding macro base stations. With Cluster DFS applied, compared with standard 5G configuration, uplink throughput is increased by more than 60%, greatly improving user experience. For ToB scenario, Zhejiang Lian Science and Technology Group has deployed diversified services on different floors, with uplink and downlink traffic fluctuates over time. Cluster DFS self-generates clusters and adjusts frame structures automatically in accordance with the service requirements. For interference caused by different frame structures among clusters, interference avoidance features are enabled flexibly to reduce inter-cluster interference by 20 dB. With Cluster DFS applied, uplink capacity was greatly increased by 74%, effectively guarantees large uplink services, breaks network capability bottleneck for new service development.
中国电信浙江公司联合中兴通信，完成业界首个基于智能编排技术的 Cluster DFS 商用验证，通过动态调整异帧结构，实现上下行容量与行业应用适配，并有效抑制跨链路与干扰。方案在杭州亚运场馆和利尔达集团厂区实施后，上行容量提升70%以上，可充分保障亚运在线直播、视频监控等大上行业务，满足企业数字化生产的多元化需求，促进5G 一张网下 ToC ToB 的协同发展。
From Cluster DFS to Cluster DFS, ZTE is committed to improvement on user experience and network efficiency, helps operators realize ToB and ToC values within one 5G network. In the future, China Telecom, together with ZTE, will further deepen technology innovation, unleash 5G potential, embrace new 5G applications.